How we doing, everybody? I am back today with my favorite ever right now coming at you because I suggested it. You guys commented and blew it up and you wanted it. So Jordan, I got one thing for you. I win, you lose, they love me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, America, for bringing this to the front. Are you ready? Blast from the past brand battle. And I got it out clean, I got it out once, so don't screw it up. Blast from the past brand battle. Boom, right here, coming at you. Are you ready for it? It's coming right now. Here we go, boom. And I picked two awesome boats to start it with because we're back in the days of the 90s. We went like 95, didn't we? 90-ish, 92. 92. Ooh, 92. Mason, were you born in 92? Wow, wow, boats are older than some of my mechanics. That's really good. 1992, we are going. No, I'm not even gonna tell you the boats yet, because you know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna tell you what it's based on. Okay? What it's based on. All right? Speed, you know speed's gonna be there. Fishability, build quality, resale value, how quick you can resale it, which one's gonna be a little bit stronger on the resale value side now, ride, and cool factor. I mean, you're in the 90s, it's gotta be cool factor, right? Right, exactly. So I want you to always comment and always get going when we're starting to do this stuff. So always be involved, talk about it, say you got one, say your buddy's got this boat and your other buddy's got that boat. You're wrong, Andy. I like that boat because that's what I like to hear. So make sure you're commenting, subscribing always, clicking that little bell down there so we stay engaged, all right? So here we go, you ready? Here's the boats. 1992, STRATOS, right here. Boom. 285. Pro XL, right here. This right over here, hope all you guys are ready. Ranger 361V, right there. All right, Ranger, STRATOS, and we're not gonna go with nunchucks because Mason got hit in the nuts with the last set. We're not gonna go with samurai swords because Chad lost all of his hair to the last one. We are not gonna go with brass knuckles or boxing gloves. Yeah, boxing gloves because Neil got his ass kicked. We are gonna go with Jackson's suggestion of the American flag. American pride, American flag, right down the line. All right, we're hanging American flags on flagpoles. I want them on flagpoles. Clink, flapping in the wind. You got it? Your goal. All right, here we go. STRATOS, Ranger, 361V. Starting with speed. All right, we're starting with speed. Cold as hell out, and he's bringing a boat in. So we're starting with speed and. Once again, Chad f***ed it all up. Way to go, Chad. God. Hi, I'm back. All right, ready? Speed. We're going speed between the STRATOS and the Ranger. Some of you guys are gonna debate this, but that's what I want. So the first American flag goes right over here. STRATOS. STRATOS gets it on the speed factor. The speed factor, definitely STRATOS has got it, I think. Now, them 361Vs went good, but I think the STRATOS would eat it up. And drivability, driver, all that stuff. All right, fishability, number 2. Fishability, American flag, right over here. Ranger, definitely the fishability. Flat platform, fish is shallow, big deck. It was set up to fish. They fished awesome. The 361V fished awesome. All right, build quality. Going over here to Ranger. 2 flags flying in the wind. Right over here. 2 over here for Ranger. Definitely build quality, forest wood. Iconic, great boat builder, great vision, definitely Ranger got the build. Resale value. Over here, Ranger. You know, Ranger guys are Ranger guys, right to the heart. They're gonna buy them. Resale value is always value there. Those guys have been selling those boats, flipping them boats, buying them, running them, selling them. They hold up. Their quality is definitely super high. The value is there. If they were even somewhat taken care of, there's definitely some value. I know guys that sold them, they were garbage. They looked like they'd been out in the freaking scrap yard and they still got 5-6 grand out of them. So there's definitely some value to that Ranger for the resale. Ride, now here's where there's gonna be some debate. I know it, these guys over here are all proud of themselves right now. You Rangers are all proud of yourselves over here, but I'm giving the flag to the STRATOS. I'm not an Earl Bentz guy, everybody knows that, but that boat ran pretty damn good, that 285. It ran pretty damn good. And this was more of a flat riding boat, you know, pop, ping, pop, ting, not hydro sport, not Hydro Sport, I can't pee when I get on the front deck. You're at least gonna get a dribble when you get done running your Ranger to the first spot in the tournament day. You're at least gonna have a dribble, because I know you're gonna jack it up, you're gonna run it up, it's gonna get a little lift, you're gonna get spinal smacked, nothing's gonna work in this vicinity of your body. You're gonna stand up to pee, and you're gonna get like beep, 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 like Morse code with your urine as it comes out. Bleep, 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 that type of thing. I think with the Stratos, you get there, at least you get some flow. All right, so that's why we're going with it. We're going with the flags over here. So we 3-2 right now? Are we tied up? No, what do we got? Rewind. Speed here, fishability here, build quality here, resale here, ride. 3-2. 3, 2. 3, 2. Okay? It's come down to the cool factor. It has come down to being cool in 1992. Now, this is how I kind of looked at it, all right? I looked at it as if I don't know anything about boats and I take the picture of the Ranger and I take the picture of the Stratos, I gotta look to see which one pulls that cool factor. This is how I'm basing it on, for me. I mean, because I know what I would do, but I'm trying to be you guys, and I'm pretending like I've never seen one of these boats before, and I'm going to look at boats. When it comes to cool factor, I'm looking at these boats. I'm gonna go to this side. I'm going Stratos just because the lines, it just looks cool. It looks cool for 1992. You know what I mean? More squarish here, more boxy, squarey. This got more cool lines to it. Looks like they took a little bit of time with the hull line, cap line, even the lines that go through the boat. I would say Stratos gets that notch. So that's a flag over here. So that's 3-3. That's 3-3 American flags. Let's go and to tie. Can we think of something else? Nothing? No? Wiring? No? That's in quality? No, I mean, that's it. They're tied. It's literally a tie. We gotta have another one, because we can't have this a tie. What can we do? Somebody? I think in the end it's a tie. We can't do anything about it. Speeds over here, fishability, build quality, resale, ride, and cool factors over here. I mean, so if you base it on, I wanna go fast, I wanna be cool, and I got the ride, you're going over here. You wanna be able to resell it, you wanna be able to fish more efficiently, and you want the quality, you're over here. But that's perfect. I nailed it. We don't need another one. What the hell am I thinking? We don't need another one. I just laid it right down, right there. I did that off the top of my head. Huh. That's who I am. That's why I do what I do. So, it's a tie. American flags all the way around. 6 of them. 3 on each side. Your choice. Comment. Let me know what you think about this one. Definitely comment. Definitely say, I love this one, Jordan. We should do more of these. That's what I want to see. I love this, Jordan. We should do more of these. Huh? Do that. Make sure he sees that, because then he's going to be like, all right, we got to do another one. Because I like these. I like these old, bringing the old and bringing it to the forefront and letting you guys know. Because I know everybody can't afford 80 grand. Everybody can't afford 100 grand, 70 grand, 60 grand, whatever. That $5,000 to $10,000, $5,000 to $15,000 range, that's, I think, where our nucleus people want to be. And we got a lot of comments about, I can't afford that, but I like the video. So that's why I'm bringing this up. So there you go. Our first blast from the past, 1992 brand battle. And if you wait till you see this, when you see this cover page that Jordan did, it's pretty cool. I mean, he like color to color almost, same motor. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So there you go. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love this stuff. So make sure that you are going to comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that Jordan will now finally come to me and say, yeah, you did it. Speed, money, no brakes. Thanks, everybody. I hope you're having a great day, because I am out. See ya.